welcome back guys to the part 7 of Reader's Record project, and in this tutorial we will be sorting the book details in an ascending order. We are not going to cover the descending order part, and I will appreciate if you'll do it by yourself by watching this tutorial of ascending order, and you can do descending order by yourself because it will be a good learning for you. Also guys, if you haven't watched previous part of this series, if you haven't watched previous part of this series, I'll recommend you to watch that first. I have already created demos and all the part from part 1 to part 6. I will add the link in my description box. And also, if you are not interested to watch previous part, I'll add the source code of part 6 so you can directly start with this video. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll show you what we are going to do, then we will start with coding. So here we have three options: book name, author name, and published date. And if I go and select on book author, you can see it will start from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, then Q, R, S. So like that, it will be same for published date. It will be 2005 to 2013, 2016, 2021, 22, and 22. So this is how it will be. Also for a book name, it will start from numbers. I mean, usually everything starts with number. So like that, our sort functionality will work. So I'll close this and we will start with coding. I will close this and I will go to the YouTube. Here I have created that project. So here open with code. I'll go to the terminal and I will just do the node.js. So server is running on 5004. I'll go to the Chrome browser. It's a local book. Here is our my book. So this is how it looks. We don't have any sort drop down, so we will add that first, then we will start with JavaScript. So let's go to our HTML. Here I will add sort hyphen button, div id of sort button, label for sort, select will be sort by, and we will add the drop down. So select id, this will be sort select. Here we will have options. So options value will be book name, so I'll copy this and author name, published date. We'll add hyphen here. You can add the hyphen if you want. Let's save it, and we have to change this as well. So this will be author name, published date. Let's save this and let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks, and there is no margin for now, so we will add that. We'll go to our style, and here we'll add sort hyphen button. Yes, the spelling is correct. This is the spelling. Yeah, just copy it. Okay, will be good to avoid such spelling mistakes. margin top 20 pixels, save it, and let's see now. So this is how it looks good. Now what we have to do, on selection of any of this option, the book details should be sorted. So we'll go to the JavaScript, and here I will do document dot get element by ID was sort hyphen select. Just copy it. We are getting this ID dot add event listener on change round bracket. Here we'll have const sort by is equal to event dot target dot value, and we will console log this for now, and we will see what we are getting on the change of that drop down. Okay, go here, I'll refresh this, and let's go and to the console. If I'll change this, I'm getting author name, getting published date, and I am getting book name. So what is this, guys? I mean, these are the keys which is available in our local storage, and the value is stored against that key. So that is what we have done. We have added that as a value, and now we will sort it accordingly. What I'm going to do now is I will call one function here, sort book data, and I will pass this as a parameter. Okay, save it. Now let's go and let's create this function. I'll remove this. Function sort book data, field key. Okay, now we have all books local storage data which we have added here. So here we are getting that local storage, okay, on the load of our page. So that dot sort a comma b. So sort function in JavaScript we use to basically sort, but here we will add some conditions as well. So field key, when it is published date, okay, so that we have to get it from here. So this, we'll copy it, then const date a is equal to new date a field key. Okay, here same we have to get const date b new date b field key, and now we will return this date a dot get time minus date b dot get time, else return a field key dot local compare v field key, save it, and we will call our functions also. So these two functions we will call here and save it. Let's see if it is working or not. Then we will debug and check how it is working. I'll click on publish date. It is not working. Let's see why it is. Or is it? No, it is not working. Console. When I click on change, there is one error. Local compare is not a function. Okay, it is a local E. Local. So local function. I'll refresh this. I will close this as well. Now, if we see, now it is sorting, okay, by author name A, B, A, D, and like that. Published date, almost same, I guess. Yeah, 2016. Published date is not working, I guess, and book name is working, but published date is not working. Okay, there are some issue. Yeah, there is some issue. We have, okay, guys, we have closed this, but we didn't closed this. Okay, so we will just do it. Now, if I go and click on this publish date, should work now. So this is working. 2005 it is, then 2013, 16, 21, 22, and 22 again. So guys, that is it with this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video, part 8 of this series. That will be the final part where we will show the extensive detail about the book, the ratings and all that we will show in a part 8. So stay tuned and thank you and bye.